Day in the life of an unemployed 24-year-old. Let's go. It's 9:09 a.m. on this Saturday, and I already made $941. So maybe it'll be a big day today. Because yesterday, I made $4,866. We'll see. But today is Halloween weekend, so my girlfriend's gonna come through. We're about to hit a haunted house with some of our friends. And after that, we're gonna go to this bar crawl. So normally I don't ever drink, honestly, but I do drink on special occasions. Example, Halloween weekend, I'll drink. If it's someone's birthday, sure. But other than that, on a typical normal weekend, your boy does not go out to the bars or clubs or anything. I used to, back when I was single, but now that I have a girlfriend, there's just really no need. We did have a pretty decent week last week, nothing crazy, but we did make $21,800, which is not good by any means, but it's okay. We're gonna be celebrating this okayness this weekend. It's kind of like Pavlov's dog's principle, where if you reward certain results, then you crave those results more. Like if I go out and have fun this weekend, when we made $21,800 this week, I'm only motivated to keep producing those type of results or do even better. But anyways, gotta get ready. I'm gonna hit a quick workout, classic pool, hot tub, sauna, steam room combo, and then my girlfriend's gonna come through. So let's start the date. Allison doesn't sleep over often, but today is a special day.
Because it's Halloween. Keep the Halloween makeup. I'm a fairy.
Since the lady's here, you gotta make sure you're fully present. So as always, gonna turn on my opal. So now we're locked in and present in the moment, baby. We're about to get some minghin, which is like
Dim sum.
dumplings, dim sum.
It's like Chinese breakfast food. Asian people don't really believe in breakfast foods, so it's like you could eat dim sum at any time of the day, really. And it's like savory stuff, meat, rice, you know, that kind of thing. There is no American food.
There's no way to describe it. Alright, you'll see. So apparently my editors told me when we have Allison on my thumbnails, we get better views. So let me know in the comments, do you guys like Allison in these vlogs?
I add entertainment.
Nice. Same one. Push.
Hello.
Hello.
Or Chinese?
Yeah, minghin for 2, please. There's like a Japanese thing upstairs.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Silly. Speaking of puddles, we're making more.
Wait, why is it leaking?
I got some seafood tofu soup. This is what dim sum is. Can't really describe it in American terms. Dumplings. And we're both YouTubers, so of course we got both cameras. Tastes like snap.
No.
Dinner was only 52.02, so not too bad for this woman. And we are back to puffer jacket season, unfortunately, but your boy cannot handle the cold. So we're about to hit a haunted house now. You ready, Allison?
I'm sleepy.
We went to the same haunted house last year, and let's just say Allison was staring at the floor the whole time. So we'll see if she can look up today. Alright, we're doing it.
Oh my
We're
god.
going in.
I'm scared.
Let the haunted house begin. We did that shit.
Oh my god.
How was it?
It was okay.
She did better. She actually looked this time.
Yeah, she looked.
Oh. Alright, we're about to eat at this restaurant. I'm tired as hell. Good.
Tuk Tuk is Thai too. Because I wrote a tuk-tuk in India. Did you know that?
No. Alright, we are getting changed for Halloween. Also means your boy has his chain. So let's change in 3, 2, boom. We got the costume, baby. Peter Pan.
I am Tinkerbell. This is the outfit. And who are you?
I am Peter Pan. It did come with tights, but your boy's too thicko to fit in it. It only went up to my ass. Couldn't like get it up past the dump truck, you know, so. But they're looking fresh.
Ooh.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
Do the walk. I got it.
I don't know, just, you're a guy, so.
Just got back home, made it before midnight because your boy is too old and can't hang. I'm only 24, or I guess 24 is still pretty old, but whatever. Anyways, you know the drill. Official numbers for the day, $1,393. So not great, but considering I didn't do any work for the day because I took the day off, not bad. $1,300 doing nothing. I'll take it. But yeah, if you are wondering how I'm able to make all this money without doing much work, I just made a free course on YouTube breaking out exactly how I made $2 million profit, just type messages on my phone. Now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. Just check out this YouTube playlist right here. That's my entire YouTube course on how you can print. But anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.